Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. Today's video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment me down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, so please don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one very beautiful decoration of wall and all, and the lights, you can see beautiful lights and all, and the bed, the floor, the cotton and all. And this one also beautiful blue color walls, bed and all, and the floor, it's looking very beautiful. And this also, you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the wall lights, the side wall, the floor, the roof and all, very beautiful. And so also maybe a dining room, you can see it's also very beautiful. It's also very beautiful. You can see the mirrors, the table, the wall and all decoration, very beautiful. The floor also very beautiful. So also you can see the wall, you can see the roof, it's also very beautiful. The colors and all, it's also the pink color, it's also very beautiful. You can see, and the floor also pink color, the roof also little bit. And so you can see the house, or the house outside, you can see the Victorian, and it's also very beautiful. You can see the mirror, the lights, backside the light, you can see very beautiful lights, you can see, and it's also very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, and the floor, wooden floor, very beautiful. And this also, you can see there for decoration, you can keep flowers and all in the on the one box. You can keep flowers, small plants. And so you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the beautiful bathroom VIP, you can see the wall, blue color wall. And this also, you can see it's also very beautiful. You can see the bed and the roof, the wall, and very beautiful. It's also the red color bedroom, you can see the lights and all, and the lamp, very beautiful. It's also the modern red color room. You can see the sofas and all, and the chairs and all, very beautiful. This is also very beautiful. You can see the curtain, the roof and the floor and all, very beautiful. And this also, you can see the bed, the small hearts, red color. So I hope you like this video. If you like it, don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. When I post my new video, you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.